Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Honda Odyssey maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, left, right, up, down, and enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And keep in mind, this particular car does not equip with the GPS system, so we're going to go ahead and reset it on this screen. And for those of you who are equipped with the GPS system, which is located over here, you can also reset it on the GPS system itself, and this side also. But okay, go ahead and press enter until you find this page. Now scroll down until you find maintenance, enter on it. Go down to oil life, enter on it, and now you're gonna be holding the enter and press and hold it. Give it about, I say, 10 seconds, and that negative 900 will turn to 100%. There it is, guys. And let me see. Oh, actually, you know what? When you get when it comes here, you're gonna have to do one more step. Is two more step actually, is to go to all do item, because you should check everything, water, maintenance. So go ahead and press on all do item, and there it is, guys. Yeah, so for you, you know what, never mind. Make sure you click the like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.